people. So we are heading to the mall. Chloe and we are heading to the mall. And of course, I'm wearing my sunglasses from Swap Meet.
Mommy, can you buy me a new sunglasses?
Maglalakad lang tayo kasi walking distance lang yung mall
Mom,
dito.
can you buy me new sunglasses?
Ayan yung pool area na hindi kami makapag-swimming kasi nawala namin yung susi.
Mommy, I want new sunglasses, not old ones.
Okay. And nag-ask naman na kami ng key pero kukunin pa namin siya. Medyo malayo from here. Okay, let's go.
What do you want?
No, it's okay.
It's not okay.
I need to go look for something pasalubong for the family in the Philippines. We are outside na. Malapit lang kami sa mall. Siguro kung mabilis ka maglakad mga 5 minutes. Dahil mabagal ako maglakad mga 10 minutes. Ganun. Kasi relax lang ang paglalakad ko. Oh, look at the watches. Look at this one. Cute. And it's only... Oops. 24.
The watch, but
This is cute.
then you can buy that.
And I wanna check the price. 24.
But this, ooh,
I think we should get this, no?
yeah,
This one is cute.
that's cute.
Let's try. Oh, it's cute.
Oh. What's that?
I wanna guess this one, and it's too hot outside. Let's check this one. Oh, ang ganda rin yan.
Oh my god.
Ganda.
Mom, help me.
And it's only 19.
Now look at this flowers. Mommy want to pick this because Tita Lai is gonna like this.
No. Let's try this one. Oh, this is nice.
Come on.
Ganda ba?
Mom.
Slippery. This is cute. Yeah, it's 165. Ooh, this is cute, Chloe.
Oh, the cherry
this one.
one. Oh, the cherry
155.
one looks so beautiful. The cherry one.
Can I see how much? This one is 175. It's cute, no?
Yeah.
Actually, this one is also cute. From Coach. This one. It's cute. Gaan pala niya. This one,
Oh, mommy,
185.
yellowish. Mommy's so yellow. Butterfly wing.
Smells good. That one is nice and it's one set na. This one doesn't have a price. Chloe! Which one? You got the froggy here. The frog, the crabs. You remember that?
Oh, maybe we can make it.
Charms?
Charms.
Oh, this charm?
Yeah.
These are $10.
I'll make some charms, Mom.
No, this is a little bit hard to do eh.
We
Look
just-
for more. Okay. What else?
Oh, Mommy, we can make stool.
Crystals. That's crystals.
We can make crystals, Mommy. Can I make crystals?
Wait. Ano kaya? What should we get? Oh, look. They have rock painting. But we already did that.
Crab painting. What, this one last one?
I'll go get one.
Wait. What should we...
You should get the flowers.
Oh, the flowers.
Can you see?
Flowers.
Mm.
We make
These are only $5.
$5.
Okay?
That...
You can make your handle. Here. You want this? Or you can even make a photo frame.
But
This is cool.
But
You
I
can put
already
it
got
in your...
this.
You want that?
I don't...
This one is also nice. Okay, let's check the bags that we have here. These are cute tote bags for $15. Oh, this one is also cute. 4th of July na pala, naka-ready. So, kumuha tayo ng dalawang top. Makikita niyo mamaya. Ipapakita ko sa inyo. And let's check the sandals.
I already have sandals. Remember the white ones? It has flowers on top.
These are also cute. Oh, they're cute. Right? Is this cute? Kaso parang ang sakit sa paa. Diyos mo. I wanna try this one. Oh, this looks cute, Chloe. It's perfect.
Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
that's cute.
These are cute. So let's try this. Ooh. But this one is a little bit big. But it looks cute.
Yeah.
I like it, Lumi. Let's try this one. Ooh, 6.5. I think I'm 6.5. Super cute.
They're
Right?
6.5.
Ooh.
You can protect from rain.
Oops, sorry. It's cute.
Mom, does this? Oh my god.
Yeah, it looks cute.
You look like a ballet.
Okay, thank you. Today is a good day. Ooh! Oh, look at the tomatoes. They're orange now again. Look. Because he gave them food, remember? He gave them the vegetables as food.
Yeah.
So they're orange. Ayan, gustong-gusto ko sa umaga na nakakasingaw yung bahay, nakapahinga siya. Para, alam mo yun, hindi ko ma-explain. Gusto ko bukas yung bintana sa umaga kasi parang may mga natrap na init at amoy sa buong magdamag. Anyway, we're gonna eat breakfast. Alam niyo, na-realize ko sa pag-edit ko ng mga vlogs recently na ang lapit-lapit masyado ng mukha ko sa camera. Eh, wala akong magagawa yung camera ko. DJI kasi to. Naka-wide lens siya, pero parang hindi pa din. So, yun. Wala na akong magagawa dun kasi yan na talaga yung sagad niya. And, oopsie. I think we're gonna have longganisa for breakfast. Or, ay, we have corned beef pa pala. So, baka yan na lang. Corned beef, longganisa, and egg for breakfast. Actually, brunch. Brunch na namin to ni Chloe. We don't eat lunch na kapag ka nag-breakfast kami ng medyo heavy. And, so let's get the egg. Ayan. Ang liit-liit ng egg na to. Diyos ko. Pakita ko sa inyo ha. Super liit ng mga eggs na yan. Tingnan niyo ha. Hindi ito yung usual na binibili namin dahil sa Costco kami bumibili. Pero tingnan niyo naman yung egg na to. For reference, sobrang liit ng kamay ko. Itlog! Super cute. Baby size. Ayan. Yung sa Costco kasi jumbo talaga yung mga egg. So, we're gonna make eggs. Ayan yung mga na-harvest natin na gulay. Alam nyo ba yung jalapeno na yan? Sobrang anghang yan to the point na naiyak talaga kami at pinagpawisan ang kinain namin. Anyway, do you wanna eat na ba, Nak? Are you hungry na?
Yeah, I need
Okay. So, I'm gonna make breakfast muna bago maglaba. Kasi ayun yung labahan natin. Super dami. So, breakfast muna and then mamaya tayo maglaba. Ayan, so baka naman sabihin niyo, ba't may corned beef yung pinaglulutuan ko? Nagluto kasi ng corned beef yung husband ko. Ay, ako pala nagluto ng corned beef. Pangbaon niya. So, ito yung ginamit kong lutuan. And ito na rin yung gagamitin natin sa egg. Para hindi na sayang sa hugasan. Ouch! Paso pa tayo. So, I think 3 eggs is enough for us. Sabi ko nga sa inyo, di ba, ma-egg kami ni Chloe. Talagang ang lakas namin sa egg. Everyday talaga kami may egg. Yan ang aming source of protein bukod sa meat. So, we have eggs. Then we're gonna put, not put, we're gonna put salt. Okay, nabubulol tayo. Konti lang kasi itong sea salt na to. Iba siya. Ang tapang ng lasa niya. Hindi kagaya ng isang asin na ginagamit namin. Ito medyo sobrang malasa. Alam nyo, share ko lang. Ito yung lulutuin natin. Magnolia. What?
If you give me a greedy dragon that looks like a snake, I'm gonna let you do the hair.
Okay. Alam nyo ba, share ko lang sa inyo. So, yung gagamitin natin ngayon is Magnolia na skinless with hamonado na longganisa. Favorite ko to sa lahat ng longganisa na available dito sa US. Kasi, ito yung, parang hindi ako nadidisappoint sa lasa niya. Alam ko talaga na automatic. Masarap siya. And, bukod dun, ito na kasi yung brand na kinalakihan namin. Kumbaga, growing up, yung lola namin is lagi, Magnolia, kunin mo kasi yan yung masarap kahit mas pricey siya compare sa iba. So, ito talaga yun. Kaya, wala na, hanggang nasanay na lang. Ito na lang din yung parang standard ng lasa na hinahanap ko. And, masarap na kasi talaga siya. Compare mo naman din talaga sa iba. So, Magnolia, if you're watching, baka naman pwede kayo mag-send ng mga longganisa. Na joke lang. I just love this brand. I love their product. Make sure you eat, ha? Kasi every time na lang you ask for food, you don't eat naman.
What?
Did you just copy me?
What?
Did you just copy my breakfast?
Yeah.
You did?
Mommy?
Okay, it's breakfast time. So I have my
Yeah, it's breakfast
coffee.
time. So,
Chloe milk.
we're eating some,
We're gonna
what
eat bread lang and then yan yung mga palaman. Because ayaw na mag-rice.
Mommy, I want this one. I want
Okay,
this.
let's eat na. Come here.
That's actually a worm.
Is it a worm?
Yes, that's blood.
So, she's gonna paint my nails while I'm watching vlogs. Here.
Yeah, please.
No, can you check please closer? He stole a kiss. Go, paint my nails. I think I want color blue. Can you do that? Do you have that?
You want the Ariel one? You want the glitter one or the normal one?
The glitter one.
Okay. Open it first.
No, you have to do it.
Wow.
This is your job, honey.
Oh, what kind
Is there a
of
glitter one?
Yeah, there is.
Here.
It's-
This one.
Yeah, the Ariel one.
Washable naman ito lahat eh.
Washable.
These are all washable for kids. Oh, can you do pink, blue, pink, blue? Okay, grab a chair first. Do you want to pee first?
Oh, no.
Maghugas na sana ako ng pinggan kaso nangungulit siya. Wala naman nga kasi siyang kalaro dito. So, pinagbibigyan ko siya sa mga ganito. Ako yung nagiging kalaro niya. Gift to sa kanya ng Christmas. Makeup. Lip gloss. Minsan nga, ginagamit ko pa ito eh. Can you make my nails colorful, please?
Okay. What color of pink do you like?
I want blue, pink, blue, pink.
But the glitter one or the pink this time normal?
The glitter one.
Okay, the glitter one. You mean the Ariel and the princess?
This is Ariel and this is Rapunzel.
Yeah,
Oh no, this is not Rapunzel, this is Aurora.
the Ariel.
Okay?
Yeah.
Do it.
And what's it for? To take it.
Relaxing love.
I broke a glass shot glass just now because things I had to.
Ganyan yung mga favorite kong panoorin ng vlog. Yung mga relaxing lang yung content nila. Naglilinis na sa bahay, namamasyal, shopping. Ganyan yung mga gusto kong dinadigest na content. Ayoko ng mga stressful, nag-aaway, or overstimulating. So, ganun lang ang gusto natin.
Pink here.
Yan, mostly talaga ganyan yung mga pinapanood ko. Pag nakaka-stress, ini-skip ko na siya kasi stressful na yung life, di ba? Life itself is stressful para dagdagan pa natin ng ganyan. Dapat yung mga pinapanood natin is yung marirelax naman tayo. Kaya gusto ko yan. Gusto ko siya panoorin. And or also si Rai Velasco. And madami pa. Actually si Hazel King gusto ko rin yun panoorin. Madami pang mga ibang content creators.
No.
I'm done with my fancy Wanty.
Yeah, and next, you wanna decorate your face next?
By Miss Chloe.
But you wanna decorate your face next?
Decorate or put makeup on. Get the makeup?
Yeah. What part of the makeup?
This is the final look. Ooh, for a lipstick.
And look, and you got a surprise of makeup today.
Okay, it's time to do this na. Super dami. And ayan yung issue ko sa bedsheet na to. Kasi naglo-lotion ako and oil kapag gabi. Tapos nagta-transfer siya sa bedsheet.
You got something from the makeup.
Oh, thank you so much. Is this a fish? I like it. I like it so much.
With a cave in here.
Ooh, so artistic, huh?
Yeah, you can play with it.
Thank you. Can you put it there sa table? Or sa fridge? Because I wanna see it every day. Okay? You wanna help me here? Come here.
Oh yeah, I wanna. Because you wanna have a party with me?
What party?
The party where we're gonna do some fun PlayStation.
Can you hold the door first so I can get the laundries?
But
Okay.
hey, can I help? Can I play here as a garage?
Yeah, what are you gonna play?
Yes. Walk in the garage. Huh?
Okay. Just stay there muna. Super dami. Oops.
You wanna be the part of the makeup artist?
Yeah.
Just be one if you want.
Gusto ko maging mabango siya kaya medyo madami yung nilagay ko ngayon. Anyway, sana mawala yung mga stain na gusto kong mawala.
Hey, you wanna play this brush with me?
That's it, and then babalik tayo ulit para sa another salang ng labahan. Yes?
I wanna play here, Mona.
You wanna play sa garage?
Yeah.
Okay. Ayan, binuhat ko na siya. So, ito yung next na isasalang natin. And kung nakikita niyo yung itim na yan, ginagawa ko siyang patungan kasi sobrang taas na ito. Hindi ko siya naaabot. So, yan. Hintayin lang natin and then, ba't tayo pa niya mag-start? Is it starting? What happened? What happened?
And here's where
Ayan, medyo nag-hang siya kanina. Pero okay na siya ulit ngayon. It's working. So, yeah.
all this extra for
That's it.
Mommy.
Slippers. And why is your sandals here? Anyway, just let it stay there muna. You need to exercise. Ayan yung immersive workout. Oh, nakakatawa yan. Sobra. Go. Do it, okay?
Yeah.
Yan, ito naman Jurassic Escape. Yan yung mga gagawin niya. So, run, jump, duck. Yan siya. Kanari hinahabol siya ng mga dinosaurs. So, yeah. Ay, alam nyo, nawawala sa focus tong camera ko mga ilang days na. Ano ba to? Wait, sa sign na ba? Para bumili ng bago. Meron pa naman akong gustong bili na bagong Sony camera. Parang gusto ko kasi mag-level up sa full frame na camera na for videos. So, pinag-iisipan ko either yung DJI na Pocket 4 or yung Sony na ZV-E1. Anyway, na-distract na naman ako. Gusto ko lang naman, kasi nabublur yung mukha ko. Feeling ko hindi siya nakafocus sa face. I'm not sure. Anyway. gusto ko lang ipakita sa inyo yung lulutuin kong dinner namin, which is sinigang ulit. So, minsan ganito akong magluto ng sinigang, minsan naman ginigisa ko siya. So, for now, itatambog lang natin lahat dito sa lutuan. So, yung tambog is ilalagay lang natin siya dito lahat. Dito sa kawali. Tapos, ito yung fish na gagamitin natin. Hindi ko alam kung anong tawag sa fish na to. Hindi siya bangus, pero ito yung medyo pricey na type of fish na masarap siya. Dahil favorite ng anak ko yung sinigang, gagawin na lang natin siyang sinigang. Pero initially, dapat ang luto dito is kamatis lang and luya. So, that is the fish. And we have this gabi pa tawag dito. Yan, yung parang magpapalapot ng sabaw. Actually, yung half nito is i-blend ko and then half is ilalagay natin dito. And of course, we have gulay. So, yung gulay ko is nakababad siya sa water para hindi siya mangitim. So, after ko siyang hiwain, nakababad na agad siya sa malamig na tubig. Yes po. Yes.
Are you going outside later? And what are you gonna do outside?
Outside later? Maybe not later. Maybe sa Friday na lang.
No, not Friday.
To get my nails done. Kasi have classes pa eh.
No, let's go.
Olive oil?
Let's go at the morning long because I don't know.
Morning. Morning is done na eh. It's already lunchtime na eh. And di ba the mall is not open sa morning?
Is it open now?
Yes, it's open now. But we can go there and then walk back here. It's too mainit.
No, but you.
But we will go there sa Friday because I need to get my nails done. Right?
But what's the for?
Ayan. Ay! Hala! Dapat, itatambog ko lang sana pero nalagyan ko siya ng oil. Igigisa ko na nga lang. Na-distract kasi ako. Anyway, masarap din naman to either way. Kung igisa mo man yung sibuyas and kamatis or kung papuluan mo lang. So, ayun na nga, dapat ngayon nasabi ko na ngayon sana gusto magpunta ng mall para magpa-nails, kaso may klase kasi siya mamaya, so hindi pwede. 3 times a week na nga lang yung klase niya. Nito, I wanna go outside, but you have class kasi eh. Diba you need to attend the class?
But mommy.
Okay, so ayan na siya. And then we're gonna put the fish here. And then we're gonna put water. papakuluin muna natin siya. Hayaan muna natin siyang kumulo dyan. And ito namang gabi. I-blender ko lang yung half niya. Para ihalo natin siya sa sabaw and magiging parang creamy yung sabaw niya. Nakita ko lang to sa TikTok so i-try natin. So, ito siya. Nilagay ko lang siya sa parang Nutri-blender ko. Tapos, i-blend natin siya para ihalo sa sabaw.
Mom, what is that? Okay, go.
Ayaw niya mag-blend. Wait lang. Okay. That's it. And then, lalagyan natin ng sinigang mix. So, sinigang mix. And takpan lang ulit natin siya. Ulit natin kumulo. Okay. Is it okay? Actually, dahil slightly kumukulo naman na siya, ilalagay na natin tong gabi para... Ang tagal kasi na ito lumambot. Tapos yung binlend natin na gabi is, ayan. So, mamaya natin siya ihahalo. Okay. It smells like sinigang na here. Sinigang-gang! Your favorite ulam. Kalamansi. Kala niya kasi kalamansi sinigang. Anyway, ayan, kumukulo na siya. Pwede na natin ihalo itong gabi. Para maging malapot-lapot yung sabaw.
Oh.
Sinigang-gang!
Mommy.
Chloe's
Mommy, I need
favorite.
to activate.
Yes. What?
I do have a hole.
I know, my pants is broken.
Don't worry,
It's just a secret, okay? It's our secret.
But
Ayan, so
when you
nahalo
go
na natin.
outside, I
Papakuluin
can
lang
pull
natin
this
siya ulit.
thing. Mom, when I'm done, I can easily put it.
Now we're gonna put the gulay. Tinanggal ko na yung tubig. Include natin yung sili, of course. So, overloaded talaga to sa gulay. Gulay overload siya. Ganito kami mag-ulam talaga. Napakadaming gulay kasi nga, diba yung husband ko is from the province. So, gusto niya yung mga pagkain is madaming gulay. Or everyday may gulay. Makikita nyo mamaya yung sabaw natin. Sobrang lapot niya. Yan, super sarap. So, lalagyan ko lang din to ng paminta and asin. And that's it. So, sea salt. Onting-onti lang kasi nga oops, I think that's enough. And pepper. Onti lang din. And mix lang. And that's it. So, mamaya kapag kumulo na ulit siya, papakita ko sa inyo ang lapot ng ano niya, ng super sarap. Ayan, it's done. It's actually luto na.
Show me.
So, ayan, medyo malapot yung
Show me your
sabaw
teeth,
niya.
Mom. Show me your teeth.
Oops!
Mom,
Lumalabas.
show me your teeth. I wanna see.
Wait lang. Quiet muna.
I'm gonna be the dentist.
Ayan, so medyo malapit na siya. Hindi ko malapit yung camera kasi Mamaya ipapakita ko sa inyo. So, ayan na siya.
Can you see the cavities in your mouth?
It's so yummy.
Okay.
Looks so good. So, this is done. We're gonna turn it off na.
We're looking stunning.
Done. And it's creamy. And it's yummy.
Da 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 da. Night of summer.
Ice cream muna tayo while watching Showtime. Is it good? You like it? So, nag-dryer na tayo pero hindi siya natuyo. And ayoko kasi mag-consume pa ng more kuryente. Dahil mahal yun. Baka tumaas yung bill namin. Kaya, Pina-style. Pinapaarawan natin dyan yung mga labahan natin. So, yan sila. Mamaya tuyo na yan for sure kasi sobrang init. Let's go inside kasi sobrang init. To the point na napaso yung pa ako kanina pagsuot ko ng tsinelas. Ganun kainit sa labas kaya for sure matutuyo agad yung labahan na sinampay natin doon. Magagamit na natin siya mamayang gabi. Ooh, she's having fun. Relaxing.
Don't turn on the light.
Why?
It's gonna light electricity.
No, it's okay. It's getting dark na. You need lights.
Okay.
Sit down lang dyan. And finish that.
But what if the lights turn off?
What?
Mom, the electricity, I can see it.
It's okay.
Mommy, the electricity,
It's super dark.
I can still see this.
Okay, sige.
Because there's light over there.
Okay. Hi, people. So, 4:22. Para hindi ako makatawa. 4:22 PM na. And patapos na yung araw namin. Hindi na nga ako nakapag-video but i-vlog ko lang itong gagawin namin kasi another fun activity na nabili ko to sa Target. And huwag yun ang pansinin yung mukha ko. Nagtatanggal lang ako ng blackheads. So, yeah. Let's go outside. So, minahul lang namin yung table kasi mainit to. Nilipat namin dito sa may lilim. Ito yung gagawin namin. Clay siya na photo frame. Ganda. $5 lang to sa Target. Ayan. Super fun. Okay, Chloe's gonna be using the pink clay. Ooh. This is yours. You have to move here.
Noxious. Noxious.
I think you don't need the whole clay, right?
What?
You don't need the whole clay. Maybe just half of it.
No.
Because your hands are small lang eh. I think you just need this.
Half. Sketchy.
Maybe more. Ooh, ASMR. Add that.
Ooh. This is kind of satisfying. Ew.
Video.
That day is the same as another day of my clay. Let's make it into soft ball.
You need to make a bowl. Include this.
But
And for me, I'll use the blue one.
yeah, there's only two. And why is there four more?
I need the whole thing. What do you think?
Whole thing because your hands is big.
I think just the half of it.
No, whole thing because Mommy, I think whole thing because you it's kind of big.
Oh, I
A
think
big-
I just need this one.
Yeah.
We can make something else for the rest.
What?
A lot more.
Like
So this is the instruction.
oh, you have to put
You need to
two.
knead the clay for 3 to 5 minutes.
Mommy, wait, you have to put two on them.
Yeah, at the back. This is the instruction. Flip and press. Ooh. Another flip and press.
Okay, flip
Mm-hmm.
and press.
More pressure. Mm. Ooh. Okay, I think not too flat. Just enough, the enough size of your hands. I'm gonna help you. So, don't move your hands, okay?
Sit here.
Yeah. Ooh, not yet. You're gonna smoothen it out.
Oh. Hi, today's video, my hand is already burnt and mommy's there. You see? Yeah. Mom is just drawing it and then later he's gonna, put magnets, so it can stick on the curtain. But for now, let's do it.
What? Ooh, look at this.
Oh.
Steve.
Steve. And how about the back of here? Draw it.
Finish yours. You having fun?
Yeah?
This is mine. Steve. So pretty. Steve, it's a strawberry. My little artist. Hi, my little artist.
Hi.
Nail polish.
Because it's supposed to be have a nail polish.
Mine is this. So pretty.
Why does it have no nail polish? I thought I'm gonna.
Ooh, the hand painted clay and the artist. Show me the face of the artist. Ooh. And this is mine. And it says, I love Chloe. From mom. And I'm gonna put Chloe's picture here. Her passport picture.
Yeah.
Your passport picture, okay?
Yeah, when I was young.
Is it okay? The
Yeah.
bald picture?